Bonds hold everything together, like bricks in a wall. Just like your family needs the bonds of love to hold everyone together in their place. You see, God made our hearts to bond together in love. Our hearts were created for connections, to build deep bonds of love and respect and trust and understanding. When these bonds of love are intact and growing, the deepening of these connections is what builds strong families, healthy churches, and authentic relationships. This is what the gospel of Jesus Christ creates in families, the bonds of love and affections. Sadly, however, because of the rigors of daily life, the tie that binds our hearts together in love is often overlooked and, sadly, sometimes even forgotten. We know what the great destroyer does to these bonds, the devil. He takes his sin and he creates deceptions which encourage alien bonds, which remove our hearts and our affections and our love from the deep bond that Christ has for you and your family and for the church. At this year's Family Vision Conference, we're going to take the time to address the issues of the family bond. We're going to look at what creates these bonds and how to strengthen the bonds of love in the family and in the church. Will you please consider taking the time to join us for this year's Family Vision Conference as we encourage you to build the bond.